Welcome to Taposhi Education Tutorial. Good morning, children. We already comes in the last portion of this chapter. For your better understanding, I hope you watch the part 6 in this chapter. Here we discuss the very important parts. That means the different agent of dispersal of seeds. Most of the examiner oftenly asked in examination, why is dispersal of seed necessary? That question arises here because the plant's life depends on it. The dispersal of seed by various agents is very important for survival of the seeds. Imagine if all the seeds of a plant fill a small region below the tree. What will happen? Right, children? The seeds will compete with each other, and the parent plants for light, nutrients, and water. That means under the tree, the seed are gathered and they fight against for surviving to get the light, nutrient and water. Thus, chance that not all seeds will grow into healthy plants will be high. So, the seed are dispersal by agent like wind, water, animal, explosion or blasting of seeds. These factors, or that means agent, help the dispersal of seeds. Right, children? So, dispersal by water. How the water help for dispersal of seeds? Seeds of plants growing in or near water are dispersed by water. Many aquatic, that means those plant dwelling underwater or water, and some terrestrial land dwelling species use the hydrochloric or seed dispersal through the water. Seed can travel for extremely long distance depending on the specific mode of water dispersal. This specially applies to the fruits which are waterproof and spongy, float and fibrous, like water lily, lotus and coconut dispersal through water. Right, children? Here you can see the lotus, water lily and coconut. Right? So they are light, spongy, that means air trapped inside them, and they are easily flowed and dispersed through the far away, and they are a new plants developed. I think, student, you understood this part. For more discussion in the next part, I will come the different agent of dispersal of seeds next part. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friend, and don't forget to click the bell icon for your more updates. Thank you for watching.